Ikenga ikwu na a ga-emerụ ma ha ọwụ na ndị IPOB egbubeghị gị ha egbubeghị ijele ha egbubeghị case ha egbubeghị any government official. Ikenga ọngụ nwa ga-egbu m because ị nwere your own squad. Then ndị ga-egbu m I already know wo ndị otu Ngozi Orabaeze Biafra Liberation Army ndị otu Gentle dị ahụ anọ m na their blacklist ha edego ya ha na-achọ himself. Onye m jiri bịa n'ụtụtụ maka Ikenga Uruegu maka enwere video mere specifically for me, and usually I am like to respond to most of this nonsense and I cover, but and when he Ikenga actually respond to. Now Ikenga actually make like I am a member of IPOB. In compare with Madam Social is off. Go I want you a member of IPOB, and I'm sure now as a human being you question in a Kuban you question before you join IPOB, because as around 2016 or something in the Ikeja branch of IPOB, one boy my pedigree. They're not grab number IPOB, because number one, I like to promote to imagine Nnamdi Kanu there will be trouble. He will attract trouble rather than sympathy. Attract sympathy from people around you and from the world at large. But Okuya, now than Ike and unable propaganda. Anyhow, and then also what you can't question them. So I stayed away from it. You can get from 2012, you were a member of IPOB, your IPOB till 2023 or 2022. From 2019. Because you're planning to this video get along, so I implore you to listen to the end. And I may promote you remember inspiration. Then I pop on the man with Nnamdi Kanu and the rest of footage wishing the man and I protest about show man and the rest of it. You know, and him jumping bell, because I call it jumping bell. I told me on your blood you kubapo. Obodo you can work by things that they incited. So I'm not really a fan of Nnamdi Kanu, to be honest with you, but I like me at least I have a creator when they're poking at our youth. So I was thinking, no, here I got Junior Olu, or Yaniki Gensi, Ndoke, Yolu, or a movement. At least I get to protect on my whereby the Kataraka, the European OPC, how I grew. Even the Europe go not there. How we poke at their youth among we have 1 hour. But even the walk go by. If I do only people keep out of IPOB. So I believe over time they can work on themselves, just like where IPOB they were worse than where OPC had the worse than IPOB. Then why they IPOB? Rather, the government was climbing down on IPOB unarmed. OPC waga filling station circle. How about all of their leader, their founder, Frederick Fashion, how about hospital Yorko? How a lot of their leaders of Onimaro, how many a lot of things. But Ndo Kenya have their Jikwa was today on the OPC net so many estates, and attention at Lagos State. You know, how guys the Lagos State. It might interest you to know that all time now issue when insecurity and I had around their shame. So I believe that IPOB when he go to that. EMMG where put that if you must know when insecurity was ravaging us. Now leave and yeah, I'm a hair by naga. Only war like question my effort didn't because I could this too much. In your blame, I saw ESN IPOB. Man, I several groups never operate there. And when Umoma, and when do to answer the cable, and when a Babago, and damn up a name, I want non government. And now, the whole of this group we are built to destroy IPOB. Chopper imagine Nnamdi Kanu and arrest to also destroy IPOB. Now, you can get your major gadget. This is a question in Nigeria, or because I want none and legal. You can name who was on the IPOB name on the ESN name. And then we should know what's on the ESN name. I am sure no one on a leave would kidnap with these students, and I do we can go down as long as would kidnap. And if nigga, you would go ahead of one. The minute kidnapping, Gina, Nigel. Apart from Nega Guinea Jelenti, can you only on IPOB, na ESN, couldn't know your report on. No matter how many other part of Nigeria, they report on it. Now, it's like I'm to you, Ikenga come Georgie. Get it is where so much information. So it means one thing. You are there, you have your own group, you have your own killer squad, Nalibo. Because you were an insider. And now I'm begging him to talk. Yes, I'm saying Nnamdi Kanu. Do you never imagine Nnamdi Kanu? Before he gave potassium in the freedom fight, Niga Quadro for my name and arrest for him to come out by fire by force. He arrests a militant group, the Biafra Liberation Army, Sigor Konalibu, just to force the Southeast governors and the leaders, Gaga pressurize the government to work with That was the essence of building Simon Ekpa and Biafran Liberation Army. So, differentiate here na. And I'm like it can improve. Ebe a member of ESN. The ESN obodo ha gaga me here they confirmed. I mean, when we have now news no sponsor about me. Because that news about me was sponsored by state actors. Yes. Because of the news, report. In order to suppress that news, how we blow nonsense news about me. Oh yeah, we go to some of our Igbo people, they gullible. They habaya into the news of and what be with wine and Kenya and the you might see for something new. Then we are suppressed, so it's about the news. Ikenga come drag you. In my MG, when we were not your report the one-sided. Ikenga can do the go to talk or the military. You have never reported it in your position. Because I am victims and came over my own report and I got on ground. Why do you make it look as if I'm the report for IPOB? Or is it because I'm clear and all the IPOB name no? Oh yeah, we need to now work with IPOB now. With Madam Social Brana IPOB, yeah, my hand under IPOB minute. Ikenga can get over under IPOB in a woman don't issue where he will let it. On under IPOB in a woman don't issue where he will ijele. Open under IPOB in a woman don't issue where he will case and the rest of you now blackmail her. But unfortunately, he will be any of you. So, get a woman, number again. Nnamdi support Nnamdi Kanu with my money in my capacity as only, not as an IPOB member. Just like in Kenya report, in your capacity as only, will you choose Nkitorime? This is what I choose to do. Okay? Now, in a kuna, by ESN. And when any mother get back away by ESN, in fact, and when any mother get back away by Army. And when the neck way get little was some Mama Army come to live by Yakote. And when any mother way get little was some Mama police come to live by Yakote. So also, and when any mother, in fact, most of them on IPO, then on ESN, then on Hamaho. It's what they choose. So, either reduce blackmail, emotional blackmail on my person, I'm getting one by ESN or Warala. If one man win about IPOB, one moment they grown up and I don't control what they do. How many parents are not on IPOB safe? So, for you to wickedly use that narrative, Namnasi, yes, they can arrest me if they like. Come to get prescribe for IPOB. Why at least someone in here push like a prescribe when I fly his men? Hey, but I say I'm going to hear or that prescribe when I swap Boko Haram, Kediana continue Yoruba, OPC. If when I would run the last 2 months, it can get report to take a prescribe one. Did you know the IPOB can prescribe? I started to prescribe IPOB and MN ESN. I started to prescribe IPOB, members of IPOB can Babushi, having a protest. So your reports, the one-sided. Now I can't imagine Nnamdi Kanu or imagine Nnamdi Kanu and Gentle, which is what I'm trying to make people understand the kind of a person imagine Nnamdi Kanu. More nature and doing an IPOB, we were to Patana. In here, you would in make it about convince them mad. Okay, right now, that's not how to institutionalize IPOB. Let me tell you why you're Deka. And I'm a mehatat. And when he him after my Nnamdi Kanu, she from IPOB put a show on how a terrorist organization. You hardly hear Mazi Chika Edozem Kuku. And I've listened to China Sangoru severally. And the quest to save our nation and our people. It can get a cheap one now. Imagine and the Fulani herdsmen. No more here in Ebusin the man. Why in the report to be here? I've seen you defend them, one or was it. In a cheap one, you report to the men and Zagan and damn is Nahana gate on the ESN. What would Doko? I know Quadozia. I'm not against how to the ESN, how to ban the ESN. My name does you war Bodoko, render our villages useless, or take and damage to a trial of Sin Talk, not ESN. On damage on door Sin Talk. Go on ground. Even on South Africa. That my member say no. Nay, report here, then no one not no longer. Every here, so your own media is joining because Nigerian government now the Nigerian media houses so what they don't report in Yemen and Libo. Hana here report in Yemen and Libo. Why an the media Gahana Ezago Gaga report on Yemen and Zag? I went there. That young man now about all Yoko, non a detention camp with 15th of May. She took the other non a detention, Guinea government. On your Yoko, what business Yoko? We are more. Ikenga ka ịkwụ ebe ịkwụ na-akwado ihe ndị amị na-eme denụ nọ n'ebe ahụ na blackmail ESN. And let me shock you, the locals nọ dị agwụ ọnụ ha kwuo na kemgbe ndị ESN kwara bata dị na ndị Fulani na-egbu ha egbu alala. Then ka m plere gị this video Ikenga ama m na ịhụ ya mana ọwụ ọsọ n'ihe ndị na-eripọtụ na ọgwụ na ndị Fulani herdsmen gburu mmadụ and na-ege ya Ikenga achọrọ m ka unu gee
and brought their cause in the roads, and some of the villagers are doing riots. They have blocked all the road, both left and the right.
Now, Ikenga, ya now. Ihe na-eme yesterday or day before yesterday. Na Fulani herdsmen gburu villagers. Ndị amị kwesịrị ịbazi n'ọhịa chọwa Fulani herdsmen. Now stop the villagers from protesting. And ihe na-aga end na this protest. You can't have any statement from the state government. You can't have any statement from anybody. You know, Ikenga cannot report this. Even if you have so wash, in a defend the federal government, no matter the atrocity, you defend them. Then they make exposition on IPOB and ESN. Ikenga kuna age meruma. Oh, and the IPOB ebubegi. Hebubehi jele, hebubehi case, hebubehi any government official. Ikenga go because you were your own word. The exposition is seen, I'm still wondering what teaching went to this exposition without being a member and without being on ground and without having voice on ground. Then in the game, I already know state governors in the southeast and federal government. Because the report may have effect. Most of our governors family are abroad. So we have much interest. For Alibo, most of our politicians, Alibo will have a platform to get to government and pack money. So now, I don't know why it is appointed when you are black and one. We can give one advice on. We can have one about I'm continue so I'm already ready. It was for me to come out, no reporting him, no reports. I'm a Mihesiano. Okay? So when I want to report of Mihesiano. So I can assure you of one IPOB, I can assure you of that. Then they won't matter one do to go or better. They are finding depression and mean do to Gentle the Yahoo. And on their blacklist, head they go higher and try themselves. Federal government, no time has she code, they can take me out. Cast on the room Macacalo. So I already know. I recommend them near Chineken and Hakamaniam, not check what you can go 911 problem at the Goran or the Gorani. In him to work was a cat. A power ESN, now, I can have no one for never. Now the governors, nobody that should come together, can find there a lasting solution. I will say na I get my adopt ESL. What do you about you my adopt OPC Kudocha? I'm like I get Hanes and little Hanya. Man, I can't make it up and so many people man that's all how woman because here now no on your look at the Yakulonia look at the Yakulia and went on your mind. So you can go in him new Kumana and I may take any day or other. The rest are short or wouldn't the ESL. Maka, one on the IPOB, I'm not their member and the main okay, but I'm a man quite actual car was who look at IPOB cannot run that one umbrella and you any other movement to try and win on your life behind a mega there. Then I push where on a federal government cannot prescribe ISWAP, cannot prescribe Boko Haram, can even go as far as rehabilitating. You could be rehabilitating Boko Haram, where an army. Her official in here, he commit to the jihad and don't damn your in the southeast. Or I can have a bagacho budayo. So you can get it's on go Nanda contractor, Maka jihad name and Alibu. You might be doing it innocently. But him not cheap Wagubana is on your Nande a contractor. Which of that here can imagine money to wire. Nyaka mepe masimeche himeche. I can like ya. I will not be deceived. Like ya, I got on I can contract and which in the month. That is your job. So I contract I give you don't divert attention. You can carry out your killing. Join on a dinner. But you were a member of IPOB and this when I ES and issue any lemon. Okay, give a who's there go not there. So say videos are on the we have your nonsense position. Now cover up. It will be on a honania. I can arrow, I will saw